We are well into the 2012 tax season, and if you haven't started preparing your tax return yet, then it's time to at least start thinking about it.
In today's Money Savers, reporter Shannon Slatton has 5 things you need to know about this tax season.
Good news for you procrastinators. You have 2 more days this year to file your tax return. That's one of Money Savers' 5 things to know about tax season. This year, because of Emancipation Day in Washington, D.C. on Monday, April 16th, all returns are due Tuesday, April 17th. Some tax credits from last year have been extended again. The one that impacts the most people is the American Opportunity Credit.
For parents and children that are going to college and trying to get a deduction for their tuition paid. So I think that's the biggest one that was extended this year.
The penalty for using your health savings account for something other than medical expenses went up. Instead of a 10% penalty, you'll pay 20%.
Basically, take the money out for that, use it for medical expenses, everything's fine.
You hear it every year, but in the age of electronic filing, it's more important than ever. Save your receipts for charitable contributions and non-reimbursed work expenses.
Have your documentation ready and available if anyone was interested in talking to you about it, because I've seen enough IRS audits where those items are the ones that easily get blown out of the water if you don't have good documentation.
Finally, it's no mistake, 9 out of 10 of the IRS most frequently asked questions involves refunds. The IRS says they will issue your return within 10 days of filing, but the more complex your return is, the longer it's expected to take. More than 90% of people are issued refunds within 10 days. However, it may take longer than that for the refund to show up in your bank account. You can follow the progress of your refund through the IRS website under Where's My Refund? And if you want more tax information, there's an app for that. IRS To Go is a free app for your smartphone that includes tax news, updates, your tax records, refund information, everything you need to know about taxes, all at your fingertips, if that's where you want it. For Money Savers, I'm Shannon Slatton.